welcome back to our channel and a new video by Lenphor. So in today's video, I'll guide you how to create a soft glam look. So for primer, I am using Glam Touch Primer from Lenphor. It's in gel form, and basically now it's summer, so I prefer more gel from. So for base, I am using a newly launched foundation from Lenphor. It's in the shade Natural. It gives you great coverage. It is even in tone. It gives you nourishing properties, and the basic. So for setting my base, I am using Shimmery Dust Powder from Lenphor. So for blush, I am using Treasure Matte Lipstick in the shade Pixie Lust as my blush. So for my brows, I am using Get Set Brow in the shade Black. To create a simple glam look, I am using Lenphor's Timeless Eyeliner in the shade Gold by Nature for eyeshadow. It is buttery soft, it glides on your skin easily. For crease, I am using Rebel Lip Liner in the shade Dusky Brown. For eyeliner, I am using Sketch It Eyeliner by Lenphor. For my eyelashes, I am using Lenphor's Lashlicious Mascara. Lastly, for lips, I am using Treasure Matte Lipstick in the shade Sunset Brown. Setting my makeup with makeup fixer.